Hey, and welcome back to the first video in my new series of ringtone focused videos here on this channel. And this series will be mainly focusing on just all the ringtones on a specific mobile device for that video. And we're starting off this series with the Nokia 3390 here. Now, the 3390 and the 3310, though they are identical in many ways, they have different ringtones. They do have a few in common, but some of the ringtones are a bit different because due to regional differences and stuff like that. So stay tuned later for the 3310 video, which I'll do when I get my hands on a 3310. And also we'll be doing other phones such as Motorola, Sony Ericsson, and all the other brands as well. We're not only going to do Nokia, but we're starting this off with a Nokia 3390, and we're going to go over all the ringtones on this phone. So it's a new series on this channel. It's easier to produce, which brings more content for you guys because I'm getting busier as time goes by. But don't worry, all the other videos will be still coming very soon. Speaking of other videos, I won't be able to do some for a week or so because my tripod broke, and that's why we're lower to the table here. I'm using a sort of a phone stand that I made out of cardboard. So until the replacement tripod comes, the gripping part of the tripod actually, I gotta get one of those. Until that replacement part comes, we can't do full-scale videos. So we'll stick to these for a while, but these videos will continue as time goes by as well. So as usual, before jumping right in, don't forget to smash that like button down below as it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm on Instagram, Discord, and Twitter, and you can follow me on those using the links down in the description below. And now let's check out these ringtones on the Nokia 3390. Okay, so ring, let's select it. The volume isn't at max because we're really close here. We don't want it to be too loud, so yeah. Okay, so those were the ringtones there. There are a few composed ones at the end as well. I believe some of the Mission Impossible one and the Simpsons one were composed by the previous owner. Those aren't stock. And what else? Let me check. AMW, that doesn't work. Mission Impossible, The Simpsons. And yeah, The Simpsons and Mission Impossible, those aren't stock ringtones as far as I can tell. So those were definitely composed by the previous owner. Just nice to listen anyway. So that was the ringtones on the Nokia 3390. So stay tuned for the ones on the 3310 when I get my hands on one. As usual, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like down below and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm on Instagram, Discord, and Twitter, and you can follow me on those using the links down in the description below. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.